Hey everyone, it's Herc here, and just wanted to shoot this video because a lot of people were asking us for more customizable reports, and we are starting the process on that. And I just want to show you how it works. So basically, if you go into your reports tab, okay, and then you go to preview report, you'll click this button. Sorry, you'll have to click this button, sorry, down here, edit a report that's active. Okay, then click preview report. It'll bring you to the preview screen, and up here in the top left you're going to see these like hamburger buttons. You can click these and you have all these options for you now to be able to kind of customize this report. So the first one here is language. You can display it in different languages by choosing your language up here, of course, and then you can choose whether you want this to show or not by the tick box. The next one is this main header section. You can choose what you want the feature of your report to be, whether it be Facebook, and that's going to be for regular users, but if you have the Pro upgrade, you'll also be able to change it to SSL Open Graph, any of these options. Okay, and then on the bottom you have the ability to choose whether you want to show each of these elements. So once again, if you're just a regular user, you won't have SSL Open Graph, Google Analytics, Schema, Ads, Tracking, and Maps APIs and stuff like that. You'll only have the main one. But for Pro users, you'll also be able to add or take away any of these elements simply by ticking which ones you want to show or hide on your report. We have definitely upgraded the button to look and behave more like a button than the other one, just to help your guys' conversion, since a lot of people said it didn't look like a button. And then the final one is this bottom paragraph. Now this default paragraph is being rewritten for better conversions for you guys. But if you do want to edit it yourself and you know what you want to say, you have the ability to use this editor to write anything you want. You can include pictures, links, videos right here, anything like that. And then as well as do any sort of text editing. So you have the basic tiny MCE editor that can really help you customize this last section here. So what's coming though, however, for upgrades is we are going to give you more control over this page as well. We're eventually going to allow you to move elements around. So for instance, if you wanted this to be moved to the top, we'll make it so that you can drag and drop your elements into the places you want them to be. You'll be able to change colors of the buttons, text on the buttons. Each of the elements you'll be able to change the text and the descriptions. We'll also allow you to change the background, stuff like that. So it'll become 100% editable so that you guys can make it look however you want. Now, doing all the changes to get it to the final point where we would be happy with it, it might take a while, but we will continue working on it and continue updating it and then letting you guys know about the updates, just like what you've seen today. What was updated today basically was the button and the configuration of this. We got rid of that icon that was there. So that was what was done today, but we're going to continue working on this so that you guys can make your reports that you send to clients completely customizable. And then the other upgrades that we have coming that don't really relate to this, I'm going to switch my screen here, okay, is actually in the white label option. And this option is going to apply to both free users as well as pro users. So free users and pro users by default, when you guys send a report out to your clients, it is loaded on an ID like this, pixelscout.io/report preview. So it does do that. The pro upgrade allows you to change the domain that the reports are hosted on, so you can host it on any domain that you want. But to take it one step further, Todd has registered mycustomreport.com. And we are going to move the default hosted reports for all the free members plus the guys that don't want to use the white label option in Pro. So the new domain will be mycustomreport.com and then the URL string for each of your users' reports. So it'll just look a little bit better than saying PixelScout, because you definitely don't want your user to say, you know, what is PixelScout? And then they see this report and then they go to PixelScout and it's a sales page for what you're doing. So we're actually going to remove that option for everybody, including the front end users that don't have the Pro upgrade. So those are going to be done. That particular feature is going to be done probably in the next couple of days, and we'll continue taking your guys' inputs and suggestions and making the software better and better. But that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching.